Tonight, ladies and gentlemen, across this country and around the world, we're gonna salute the legends, icons, pioneers,
Yes.
film stars, Jersey's own. Naughty by Nature's in the building. Strong J. You know, first impressions are everything. Mm-hmm. You know, so when I came into to Sirius today, and I saw, you know, Tretch in the lobby. Now, I by the grace of God in this culture, I've had the opportunity to meet a lot of people, and if there's any group of people that could really be shishi foo and highbrow and you know take all the green M&Ms out of the bowl type people. Right. It should be you guys, you know. But you know what? You guys are just you know just genuine down home people, and that's how you know Naughty by Nature. You know what I'm saying? Like when you first came in the game, it was like a genuine down home
Absolutely.
thing. You know what I'm saying?
We love the people, man. Like where we from, our whole plan from the door was like bringing everybody out. You know what I mean? It wasn't just the group Naughty by Nature. It was like we wanted to bring our whole hood, our family, show them the whole life, the world, show the world like what teamwork does. And it ain't just about you as an individual, it's about a movement. So the whole Jersey thing, you know, we wanted to fight for the hip hop scene and get our props on it. So we just always came and like, we love everybody. You know, we love walking the streets and shaking hands and seeing the people that help our lifestyle and made it where we at right now. Exactly. If it wasn't for them buying the records and going to see us in the movies and buying the clothes and all that, we wouldn't be who we are. So we love them.
So in case, you know, people haven't seen you out on tour and everything, just tell the people what you've been up to lately, you know, just right now.
We ain't been home since 91. No,
I'm saying, like, you've been touring?
No, all, man. We about to go back overseas right now. We got our soldiers over here, the Wonder Twins. They actually, like, since K was, you know, not with the group, we have replaced the DJ and everything else. We have fam there. Now the Wonder Twins on the road with the team and everything else. So like we stay out there doing the thizzle, man. The people want us, so we gotta give it to them.
I really hate to see groups disband. I hate when there's, you know, a fallout, and you know it's noticeable. KG's not with the group, so can we? I know you wanted to move forward, but can we just go back a little bit and address that?
Right.
Like,
well,
what happened
I think
with KG?
we've been doing this like since 11, 12 years old, 81, 82. I don't mind telling my age, you know.
Okay.
And you know, all of us, we've been brothers. So
baby.
it's just like if you stick around this guy forever, like you guys get to come in here and you go home. But imagine sharing hotel rooms, sharing classrooms, sharing tour bus, sharing the toilet, the shower all the time.
Yeah.
Eventually, you know, you'll have some drama. But it got to a point where we put in so much work and everything happened so big for us. You always get people who want to pull you apart and do everything. So at that time, I think KG was doing a lot of production and he didn't want to tour as much. He had a family and it was just drama. So he decided to try to, you know, do the record label thing. And we felt like, yo, we got to keep this moving, like on the internet and everywhere we go. Even till this day, people are like, yo, Naughty, stop the BS and get us another album. You know what I mean?
And that's coming, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. Okay.
Actually, with KG.
I say applaud that because you know what? In this game, it's getting to the point where, you know what, everything that's negative is all blown up. But you know what? Nobody ever applauds when people get back together. Nobody applauds when people do positive things. One question about OPP, other people's pussy. Now you can say that here. we can say, how'd you guys come up with that concept? How we come up with that record, Vinny? Come on.
You know what? OPP was a concept like on our block. We always clowned and made jokes and edited versions of songs. Okay. And we had a guy, Moo Brown. He used to come by our block talking about, I'm down with OPM, other people's money.
Okay.
So we just thought that you're not coming on our block getting no money, and we flipped it on them and said, you know what? We down with OPP, other people's pussy. Where's your girl?
Wow.
Tretch remembers on tour. Yo, we literally, no lie, had a lawn and leaf garbage bags full of bras and panties.
Oh my
Every
God.
show,
You gotta
they
applaud
would
that,
throw
Ron.
it up on stage.
You gotta applaud that.
Bras.
And pants.
Why are you
We
applauding
threw
that?
back the crusty ones though.
Yeah, they was worn more than once.
Somebody say OPP. OPP. Kid, you know me.
you know
Studio
me.
say OPP.
OPP.
Kid, you know me.
Hey, yo, Vader, drop a load.
Check it out, y'all. We coming to you live and direct from Sirius Satellite Radio. This is a live performance. Naughty by Nature 2008. Classical hip hop.
OPP, how can I explain it?
Sing
I
it.
take it frame by frame.
Sing
to have
it.
y'all all jump and
Here
shout
we go.
saying it. Always for other beats so
P.
people scratch your temple.
Where you at,
The last
boy?
P, well,
That's not the simple how.
Now I know Jersey City, and Jersey City is kind of rough. But describe, the neighborhood that you guys came out of East Orange, because I think that first album cover is indicative of your environment. So just to describe East Orange at the time when Naughty by Nature first
East
came out.
Orange is a subsidiary of Newark, New Jersey. So after the riots in the 60s, a lot of people that was in Newark moved out, like in the outskirts, but East Orange was like the base of where, East Orange, Irvington, Orange, all of that. So it's ghetto. It's the first album, like you said, the OPP cover, we shot that in front of abandoned projects down there. After they saw that on the album cover, they tore the project down and everything. It was like, oh, they
Wow.
really showing
Yeah.
the hood.
Once we did that album cover, a lot of people from New York, they were like, yo, we didn't know Jersey even had projects. They just thought it was all houses and
Yeah.
the
So
you moved
suburbs
to
and
get
stuff
away.
out there. So once we did that photo shoot and we did Everything's Gonna Be Alright video, the city of Newark tried to come after us and say, you didn't have permission to shoot those buildings and you made us look bad. But after a while, we found out that those buildings were supposed to be demolished years ago. So we got the political process popping.
Bring it down now. This is a story about the drifter who waited for the worst because the best lived cross town. Who never planned on having so dip.
Somebody sing, everything's gonna be alright. Sing it, everything's gonna be alright. Sing it, everything's gonna be alright. Come on, everything's gonna be alright.
Look, some get a little and some get none. Some catch a bad one and some leave the job half done. I was one who never had and always mad. Never knew my dad. Motherfuck the fad.
Hey.
Sometimes I wish I could afford a pistol then, though. To stop the hell, I would've ended things a while ago. I ain't have jack but a black hat and knapsack. Wore scars, stolen cars, in a blackjack. Drop that, so now you want me to rap and give. Say something positive, well positive ain't where I live. I live right around the corner from West Hill. 2 blocks from South shit and once in a jail cell. The sun never shone on my side of the street, see. And only once or twice a week I would speak.
Special
I walked
K.
alone, my state of mind was home, see home. I couldn't keep a job, they wanted kids with cars with chrome.
Put your hands
Some
up.
light, if you
Put
ain't
your
with gold,
hands
your
up.
style was old.
At home,
And you got
y'all.
more juice
Put
than dough for
your hands
every
up.
bottle sold.
Hey,
Hell no,
no.
I say there's gotta be a better way. But hey,
never gamble in a game that you can play.
I'm going and flowing and showing and knowing no one and not now. How will I do it? How will I make it?
I won't, that's how. If you
Fire.
ain't never been to the ghetto,
Don't ever come to the ghetto, cause you wouldn't understand the ghetto.
so stay the fuck out the ghetto. Hey.
I put 2 and 2 together and I came up with 4. You're forever forgotten, forbidden, shouldn't have to say much more. Been through more crews than the flu. Yeah, I show ya. You're so damn scrap, I bet your Bo don't know ya. You can smoke a split with a clip, but there's still no mountain high enough. But wide enough to touch the naughty, nappy, nasty nigga, the
Turn it
nasty,
up
trashy,
in my
hoe,
ears.
empty, pappy. That's happy to be nappy. Me and Vin rock, win spots and floss and groups and troops with timber boots and gel suits. That's how I roll with my head do don't. When the will I got one when competition ain't dope. Beat you, break you, broke you, smoke you, take you, sing it to your little group on mute. Sooner or later, he wanna flip, tell him full, send me half with a dip, and all that other Ringling Brothers shit.
Yo, we put it down since the days of high school. And everywhere we mob, we rule. Naughty's about to raise our stock. And we didn't come to brag about what we got, nigga. We came to rock.
Fuck that.
Bump what you heard, Naughty's forever in demand. The Wonder Twins on the wheels, all the party people jamming.
See y'all all who wanna plan with
Serious
me.
radio,
Wave your hands
y'all.
across the land,
Come
every
on,
family.
hip-hop, come on.
I know I jam, I know I jam, jam.
Well, all
damn, I know I jam, I know I jam, jam.
Well, all I know I jam, jam, jam.
Well,
Yo,
damn, what
yo.
jam. The Garden State is creating this fragrant greatness on some 8 shit in your baby mama's business doing maintenance. This is a naughty Bob, a naughty Bob. Bitch wanna set the trick up, trigger hiccups, now go tell Shorty Bob. Yeah, I hit a hooter. I bet the metal mover it a loser. Doer, I roll with shitter shooters. A modified Gaddafi, modified Basaki. Martinis and Rosti, Asti, Spumante. Wow.
Yeah.
Hey!
Ho!
Hey!
Ho! Say what?
Hey!
Say what?
Ho!
Lay on it.
Hey!
Here we go. Yo, you drew a picture of my morning, but you couldn't make my day.
Hey!
I'm rocking and you're yawning, but you never look my way.
Hey!
I'm looking down your darling in every single way.
Hey!
Get back and on, cause my nigga Tretch is on the way.
He
Sing.
said, I know you Mr. OPP, man. Yo, PP, man, won't only see me, man.
sing.
You shoulda knew when I ain't hit it and step that I was with it a bit, not to consider the rap. Hey, I did your partner cause she's hot as a
Sing it,
baker, cause
sing
I'm
it.
naughty by nature.
Not cause I hate ya.
You put your heart in the
Put 'em
part
up,
of a
yo.
part, dispense
Put
a
'em
part,
up,
and
yo.
forgot that I
Come
forgave
on.
when you had a spark.
Hey, ho, hey, ho, say what?
Hey,
NaughtyByNature.com. Hit us up on MySpace.
Hip-hop parade.
We get money, money we got. We get money, money we got. Big up to everybody contributing to hip hop, man.
That's right, baby.